pleasure having you as our speaker, and there were so many insights in your session. So I would like to ask you about your experience about the conference, and how overall, what do you feel?
It's a well-managed conference and a very focused agenda, very focused audience, and seamlessly managed. So your team of volunteers played a key role, team of organizers played a key role. So I'm very happy to be here, and thank you for inviting me actually. And I'm happy to share my experience with all of you. But keep doing such events in future also.
Yes, thank you.